NPLEX is a real-time electronic logging and compliance system that tracks the sale of over-the-counter cold and allergy medications containing pseudoephedrine, precursors to the illegal drug methamphetamines.
Current Wisconsin law requires retailers to collect certain information such as name, address, and quantity of purchase from a customer. Oftentimes, investigators will obtain these records in an effort to ascertain the quantity of pseudoephedrine acquired by a person who is manufacturing methamphetamine. An inherent issue in obtaining these records is that they are not centralized and require an investigator to travel to many different locations, often over a large geographical area, and physically examine large volumes of handwritten records, looking for patterns of purchases or particular names of suspects.
By utilizing this multi-state technology, law enforcement can better assess the patterns and trends related to the production of domestic meth. This information is a vital resource to local, state, and federal law enforcement. This bill does not make any changes to the requirements related to the purchase of pseudoephedrine products. This simply allows for this information to be gathered electronically and for that electronic information to be shared with law enforcement. This is a real issue for first responders who don't know what they're getting into when they go into a meth lab.
The hazards of meth labs include incendiary risks with failing reaction vessels, in addition to general chemical and inhalation hazards from things such as ammonia gas and hydrochloric acid gas. Not only are the persons directly involved in the production process exposed to these hazards, but also children who are commonly in the home, as well as law enforcement personnel investigating the illegal activities.
It's easily accessible because it is over the counter and you don't need a prescription for. And so there's a very real threat here that people are picking up large amounts of pseudoephedrine undetected, particularly from law enforcement because of some pharmacies that still don't enter this information into databases.